How to see deleted messages on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see deleted messages on Messenger. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is open up the Messenger app and you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon that you'll find at the top left corner of the screen, that here, and then here along with your profile username and profile at side you'll be able to find a little gear icon or the settings icon. So we'll tap on it here. Now what you want to do is scroll all the way down below and head to the option account settings. Now you can see it just below the option switch account. Now here, once you are on account information, what you want to do is scroll all the way down below until you find the option download profile information. Simply tap on download profile information and here this page loads up. You can see you'll be able to request copy of your data. What you want to do is deselect all first and then select only the third option, the messages option, since you want to view only your deleted messages. If you want, you can ask for your every data of your Facebook here, but it will take quite some time to get it. So after you select messages, scroll all the way down below and tap on create file and your file should be created. And now here you can see it's pending right here. First, Facebook will notify you once your file is ready, and once it's ready you'll find the download option on the screen that you can see. Simply tap on download and download your data, and once you do it, what you can do is open up the file on your phone and you'll be able to view your deleted messages as well. So this way you can see deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.